First one on the list, Weedo X40 IDEX 3D Printer. Independent Dual Extruder. Weedo X40 is designed with independent dual extruders that support 5 printing modes: normal single nozzle printing, dual color printing with the same material, PLA plus PLA, ABS plus ABS, duplication mode printing, printing 2 copies of the same item at the same time, mirror mode printing, printing a normal and a mirror copy of an item at the same time mix. The second one on the list, Flash Forge 3D Printer. Leveling free, removable and heating bed, much easier to take down models. It's suitable for various 3D printer filament PLA, ABS, PEG filament, etc. Detachable nozzle, remove the nozzle from extruder just in one push. Stainless steel tube material. Nozzle fast, heated to 240 deg C in 50 seconds. If you need to print high temperature filaments, you could install a 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 mm 265 nozzle. The third one on the list, Tapmaker A350T 3-in-1 3D Printer. 3-in-1 function. Snapmaker 2.0 modular 3-in-1 3D printers A350T/A250T unlock your full creative potential, from 3D printing to laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving. Smarter, faster, larger, and more powerful than ever before. It is a new generation of 3-in-1 3D printers that comes with everything you need. The fourth one on the list, Anycubic Photon Model X 3D Printer. 3x fast printing. 4K monochrome screen Photon Model X 3D printer. Single layer exposure only takes 1-2 seconds, and the printing speed is max 60 mm/h, which is 3x faster than ordinary resin printers. Do you want to finish printing faster? This printer helps you obtain higher quality models in a shorter time. The last one on the list, Creality Ender 3D Printer. Self-developed silent motherboard. The Ender 3V2 built-in self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. Resume printing function. Can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving your time and reducing waste. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.